Good morning, student. Today we are here for the lecture of class 10 computer application chapter first. The name of chapter is computer basics. In this chapter we will learn about the internet. Means here we will learn about internet basics. The basics are its introduction, internet and its component, in which you will get the information about computer, modem, web browser, ISPs. These are the essential component which is used for accessing the internet. Third is World Wide Web, which we also call WWW, or in the previous decade we also said it WWW. The next is difference between World Wide Web and Internet. Everybody think that World Wide Web and Internet are the same thing. No, but it is a different. There is a lot different. We will discuss in the third topic. The next is Internet terminology. What are the terms we use in the Internet world, where Internet era is growing? Those terms we will discuss here, or I will tell you what are that terms. Now start with the first topic, introduction. Basically, internet is a combination of two words, inter and net. Means inter plus network. It is a combination of network of network. The small LANs commonly or say collectively are called internet. LAN grow ups in WAN and WAN grow ups in internet. Internet arises by the American Defense Academy in 1969, where they used for sending information from one place to another. Afterwards, they send or give the network to the university for their the network grow and becomes internet, the hugest network of the world. Next is internet and its component. Component of internets are computer. For using internet, the basic component is computer. You can't use the internet without the computer, or it may be form of computer like laptop, mobile phone, smartphone, whatever it is. The second is network, means ISP. The company which provide us network or connection of network is ISP. Internet service provider like BSNL, VSNL, Airtel, Vodafone. These are the Jio5. These are the ISPs present time. The next is modem. Modem is a device through which the analog signal converts into digital and the digital signal converts into analog. After that, we use it in our system. The next is a platform. Where we use internet is the basic platform is web browser. Without web browser, we can't use the internet on our system. Now next is World Wide Web. World Wide Web. What is World Wide Web? It is not the internet. It is a consortium. Means it is a institution or sangathan, we can say, through which the rules and regulation of the internet is guided. Like in school, we have principal to manage all the rules and regulation, or management to manage all the rules and regulation. So here the principal is WWW for internet, on which they decide what are the rules and regulation through which the website are made. They even ban many of the websites in which the content are not appropriate for the user. And the next is difference between World Wide Web and Internet. The World Wide Web is a set of program, standard and protocols that allow the multimedia and hypertext files to be created, displayed and linked on the Internet. WWW was proposed between 1989 to 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee. It also consists of like forum where group of people of same interest can chat or share their information. Research database used by universities and large companies for research and analysis. Next is Usenet. Usenet is a discussion group about a specific subject. Like doctor have their different use group, engineers have their different use group, politicians have their different use group. People of same interest have their own use group. Next is email and instant messaging. Emails is electronic mails through which we can send the mail. It is a form of electronic mail, and instant messaging is a type of messaging. It is a real time messaging like WhatsApp, where we send message and we receive the message instantly. Internet terminology, and the last is internet terminology, where we discuss about the different terms which we use in the terms of internet. First is client. Client is the computer system, or it is a machine through which we trigger the request. Like if we searching for some keywords in the Google, then we type there in the search box. The machine, the computer system through which, or the mobile through which we type the keyword in that search box is client. The next is server. Server is a type of computer system with additional information, additional resource. Like in server there is a large amount of storage space, there is a big amount of RAM. Server is a machine in which there is additional resources like storage capacity, RAM and ROM, whatever it is, but it is a huge quantity to store the information. The next is, and the server also responds to the trigger query by the client. Web page, any digital page or document hosted on internet. Any digital page means a page which is created by HTML or other language for the internet is the web page. Website, when two or more combination of web page is stored in the internet or uploaded in the internet is website. Web browser, it is a platform or it is an application through which we use internet. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, it is a unique address for a web page on internet. When the internet created or when the website created, basically there was a IP address or host address in the numeric form, but it was difficult for everybody to learn or memorize the address in the numeric form, because there is a millions of websites. So how it is possible to learn the numeric value of each and every website? So the WWW decided the URL, Uniform Resource Locator, for each and every website through its name. It is easy for everybody to memorize the name of the website. Next is Blog. Blog is a online journal or online diary on which we write the information about ourselves, about our daily routine. Like in celebrities, they have their own blogs in which they write about their daily routine so that their fans can read and understand what they do, what their routine is. Newsgroup are internet discussion forum. Newsgroup is a place, is a site, or it is a place where the news published about certain related information. Different news group related to different professions, like medical news group is for doctors, MRs and surgeons. Technical for engineers and computer technicals. So there are different groups of news group. The next is email. Email is an electronic mail. A mail which is sent or received by electronic signal, that is 0 and 1. The form of electronic signal is 0 and 1 because electronic can understand only the form 0 and 1. The last is email address. Email address is the address on which we send the mail through electronic media. So that is all for today. We will meet tomorrow. Please memorize it, make a note, read it as much as you can and note it in your notebook.